doing, guys? And welcome back to another day of fun. And actually today I'm heading out, taking out the jet ski, because I haven't taken them out. I haven't took out the jet ski in a long time, but I do start it once a month at least. And then I washed it. Then I got excited since it's Saturday and we're home doing nothing. Well, actually I was cleaning the backyard, and decided to go ahead and take out the jet ski, do a little ride, see what's up at the sandbar, or just right around the islands or something. But yeah, it's about that time. I know the water's cold, so I brought my wetsuit just in case, because I'm not gonna freeze. So it should be fun, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. And who else gonna wear the life vest? I mean the wetsuit, but it's not that bad. There's a lot of big boats out today. I guess everybody's ready to have a good time at the sandbar. But before actually going to the sandbar itself, let me cruise around the big boats and see what everybody's up to. I guess everybody's in a good mood, party mood for the weekend. Oh, because it's St. Patrick's weekend. But yeah, let me go walk around the sandbar here and see if I can find any of my friends or just see what everybody's up to. people here actually caught my eye because they were playing some kind of game with the ball, but I never played before, but it sounds pretty fun. I guess somebody throws the ball up in the air, and then once the person catches it, everybody has to stop, and then I guess they get tagged with the ball. But it was pretty neat to watch them. I guess they were having fun too. I guess one day I'm going to see if I get enough people here to play this game ourselves. I guess she hit him right at the lucky spot. Well, let me get back on the jet ski and keep riding around, see what else everybody's up to. I found a few of my friends on the jet skis, and I started to ride with them, and I guess they knew where the party was at because I followed them to this big crowd that it seemed like they were having a lot of fun. So let's go check it out. I don't think they got room for any more people, but they sure look like they were having a great time. And we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and let's keep looking around. I sure did found some more friends. Let me go see what my buddy here is doing. Come on, man. Aquí chilling.
I didn't know you were here. I was looking for your mother. I couldn't find you.
Oh no, I came by myself.
Oh, you coming to ski?
Yeah.
No wonder, bro.
Come on, man. That's you?
Good, yeah.
Oh, that's nice, man.
You want a drink?
Water? Come on,
water? I don't know. We have water up here.
Coke, I'll take Coke. Whoa, water. Well, that's good, man. It looks nice.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, so just got it like 3-4 months ago.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it looks really good.
Alrighty. Now you on the boat?
Not so much. Okay, it was nice seeing everybody having fun. And lucky that I found my few friends because I got some water because I forgot to take water. And yeah, but let's take the last cruise through the boats and we're gonna head home.